guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's plan with me, I will be using a weekly kit from mypinkpaperie that I got from the Wandering Planners event 2 weeks ago. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and tear this page off and let's see what works. Okay, I've never used a kit before. I know it's already set for a whole week. Let me just see what I can find in this weekly kit set. Okay, so opening this up, I see some box stickers. It's already color coordinated, challenging. And then there's checklists that's also boxed. And then headers for to-dos and today, important, stuff like that. Then more stickers. And then I guess this is for covering the dates and more stickers and more stickers. Let's see. Okay, so I think I'm done with the spread, but I don't think I'm gonna be happy with how it turned out. I do not like how I placed them. I don't know how I'm gonna rearrange them, but I have to do something. I probably would put more stickers or remove some. I'm not sure. So now here you are gonna see me try to save this spread to satisfy what I would be happy with. I am going to maybe add more stickers to it, maybe mess it up more, I think. But usually I do that until I am happy with how the whole spread turns out. But this is gonna be a mess. So now I don't really know what I'm doing with this spread, and I'm getting super frustrated because this is not how I want it to turn out. So let's mess it up some more. Now this is the real deal. Now I'm gonna have to remove all these stickers and redo them. This is really messing up the paper, messing up the stickers, but this is what I go through when I do a spread and I'm not happy with it. You're gonna see what's gonna happen, and I'm just gonna post the end result, which you'll see. If you have gotten to this point in my video, I really appreciate it. Now you see how crazy it is for me to do a plan with me, and I go through this week after week, but some days are fine. Now I'm just going to show you the end result, and I will just have to deal with it for this week. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.